In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money between exchanges. This is very important because if you made one mistake, you can lose all your money. So we are going to do it fast, secure, and simple. Let's start right now. For this video, we are going to use 3 exchanges. We are going to use Binance, Bydefi, and Bitunix. So we are going to transfer money between all these exchanges so you can see the difference. Usually all the exchanges are the same, usually. But in this case, you are going to learn everything about how to do it in any exchange. So let's start with Binance. Let's imagine that you just buy some crypto by peer-to-peer, and now you want to send the crypto to the exchange that you have benefits and you are going to trade. So you are going to put withdraw. Once you put withdraw, you're going to come to this screen. First, usually we are going to send money in USDT, not in Bitcoin. So we are going to change the coin to USDT. When we have USDT, we have the important part. We have address and we have Binance user. In this case, we have to send it on-chain. So we are going to use address. Here we have to put the address and we have to put the network. And this is the important step. All the time that you do this, you have to send the money between the same network. If you put a different network, you are going to lose all your money. And trust me, you are going to lose all your money. If you put the address correctly, you are not going to have any problem. In this case, we need an address and we need a network. So let's go to the exchange where we want to send the money. Let's imagine that we want to send to Bydefi. Here is Bydefi. So here we are going to put deposit because we want to send the money. On-chain, yes. Here we have USDT by default, so perfect. And we have to put the network. We press here and we have all the available networks. Usually I use BIP20 because it's the cheaper one, it's the faster one, it's like the same of TRC20. These are the bots that are working perfectly in all the exchange, are fast, are cheap, so no problem with them. I prefer BIP20, so I'm going to put BIP20. Now we are going to have an address to send the money, so we need to send the money to this address in this network, BIP20 and this address. We copy this address, we come back to Binance, we put the new address, we select network, we put the same network that is BIP20, and then we only have to put how much we want to send and just to send it, okay? This is the first easy example about how to send money from Binance to Bydefi. Now let's imagine another scenario. Let's go to Bitunix and let's imagine that we want to withdraw from Bitunix and send to Binance, for example. So we go to Bitunix, we put in withdraw. You can see it's almost all the same in all the exchange. We put the coin, in this case USDT. We select network, but before to select network, we have to go to the other exchange to be sure that the other exchange is going to accept the network. So we go to Binance. We know that Binance works with this chain, but anyway, put it in your mind all the time. You are going to check it just in case, just any change. You don't want to lose your money. You don't want to lose your money, trust me. So we are going to put in Binance, we are going to come back. And in this case, we are going to put deposit because we want to deposit. We have some options here, deposit crypto. We select the coin, in this case, USDT again. Select the network, we put BIP20 again. So now we check that we have the BIP20. But now we have a new address because we have an address that we want to send the money, not withdraw money. So in this case, we are going to put copy. We go back to Bitunix and then we are going to put network, BIP20. We are going to put the address and then we are just going to put the amount and send the money, withdraw the money from Bitunix to Binance. This is the easy and secure way to do this. You can see it's not difficult, but the small steps that you have to do it really accurate. If you like this video, put subscribe, hit the like, and see you in the next video. Any question, go to the comments. Bye bye.